Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Well, I love the great outdoors, and I hope you do too. And so I've created something very, very simple to kind of help you and your kids enjoy your hike even more. And I call it my nature journal. And I'm going to show you how to make one right now. For this project, you will need twine, a tapestry needle, a hole puncher, manila envelopes, scissors, stickers, and labels, which you can get from my website as a PDF. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out these stickers. And I have these as a PDF on my website. And then you're just going to place these on the envelopes. Now you can do this before or after. So these manila envelopes came in a pack of 6, and I'm going to take 3 of them. And I'm going to flip them over so that the edge here shows where the fold over is, because that's where I want to place my holes. So I'm going to go kind of close to the end, about 1.5 inches to 2 inches in from the edge, then one directly in the middle, and one on the other edge. Now, to make sure that I match up my holes, I'm going to place my remaining 3 underneath. Now, we're going to sew this together. So we're going to use some twine here and a tapestry needle. Tapestry needles are great because they have a big hole that I can thread this through. Starting from the bottom, I'm going to come up through the hole, and I'm going to leave about 6 inches. Then I'm going to go around the end here and back up through the hole. Now I'm going to go over to the next hole from the top. Come down, bring the needle up and around, again around that edge. And now this time, from this side, I'll come up through the holes. And once again, go around. I'm going to go around a second time. And then this time I'm going to come down from the top through that center hole. I'm going to go around that edging again. What I'm doing is basically binding the book together. And then once again, coming up through the back. And remember that tail? I can tie this off now with a little bow. Now I can take my journal stickers and peel off the back and just place these on each one of the pages. So it ends up looking like this. Now what I like to do, what's fun about these envelopes is these actually have a sticker. But if you didn't have stickers, you could use just these kind of labels and stick one of these in the back. And now I go on my hike. Then when I go on my hike and I find things, I'm like, ooh, I found these really pretty leaves. And I put them in. And oh, look, I found these really pretty flowers. I'm going to put those in there too. Now that seems pretty full to me, so I can either peel the label here or fold it over, take one of my labels out from the back, or 2 of my labels from the back, and just seal this up. Right? So that that's sealed up. Then I can go to my next one. And in this case, I've got some really pretty wood pieces. I'm going to put some wood pieces in there. That's going to make a really great little project for my fairy house. And here you can see, I can take that off and fold it over. And oh, look, I found a feather. I could take the feather, put it in this. So I hope you're getting the idea here. Basically, this whole idea and plan here is to gather really fun nature in my little book as I'm traveling along. So this just keeps all of my stuff together. And then I can use it for projects and stuff like that when I get home. And you don't have to make it just a small one. You can also make large ones too. And there you have it, your own nature journal. I mean, I love these because by the time you get back, you've got all these things filling up your nature journal, and then you can just explore them when you get home. It's a great way to keep and journal about the things that you find in the forest. For more great ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.